What is up, my real estate investor friends? For those of you that made it to the REIN vendor fair this week, it was great seeing you. If we just met for the first time, it was awesome meeting you. If you weren't able to make it, you missed an amazing event. Just such a great group of guys and gals that just share ideas. And there's so many different people and vendors in this space that can help you make a ton of money and really just build a legacy for your family. So we're going into January 2023. I think it's going to be a crazy year. I think interest rates are going to continue to rise until rates meet inflation, and then they'll plateau off. They may tick down a little bit and they may tick up and down in the meanwhile, but I think we're going to be about where we're at right now. But look, interest rates really don't drive investors as much. They're really for retail buyers. I think it's gotten rid of a lot of wannabe investors that are like, oh, the rate. Wait, if you're a seasoned investor, rate's really irrelevant. The most important thing is cash flow. So who cares if you got a 20% interest rate? If you're still cash flowing a property, you're buying it at 20 to 25% of the market value. And what I mean by that is you can buy real estate, rental property that generates income at 20% to 25% of the market value. That's all you have to come out of pocket is 25% by leveraging financing. The bank will give you the rest of the money. Let's talk about investors. What I think is going to come this year. I don't think we're going to have as many distress sales. By distress sale, I mean foreclosures and short sales. I know that's a hot topic in the real estate investor community. Don't think we're going to see a lot of those, but I do think you're going to see a lot of sellers this in situations where they have to sell fast. And right now I'm seeing people able to buy houses at $50,000 less than they were last year. So we're already starting to see the prices dip just a little bit, which is a good thing for investors. I think rents are on the rise because now, for the first time in forever, since I've been doing this for 15 years, but the cost of rent is cheaper than it is to get a mortgage. How about that? So I think you're going to see a lot more people renting this year. It's really a bleak outlook, or grim outlook, unfortunately, for the young guys that are graduating college, trying to find a job in their employment, and they're having to have dual household incomes. And, so as an investor, unfortunately, we look for holes in the market that we can take advantage of. And that's just it. I think you're going to see more properties hit the market this year. And I think you're going to see better prices this year. And if you're looking to get properties financed, check out that DSCR investor cash flow loan. I don't need any income documents. There's no limit to the number of properties that you can buy. You got your 20 or 25% to put down, and then boom, it's a super fast, super easy loan to close. Interest rates are about 1% higher than the going market conventional rates, so there's really not that bad. I'm seeing people refinance their whole investment portfolio. If you're on 5-year ARMs or these bank loans that are adjustable rates, the rates are starting to adjust because the Fed's just announced another 0.75% hike in interest rates. And so everybody's adjustable rates are starting to adjust. Get that sucker on a fixed rate, man. Talk to me about getting your whole portfolio moved over on a fixed rate. And then when the rates come down a little bit, if they do, then you capitalize on that and you refinance. Now's a great time to pull cash out of investment properties. I'm telling everybody to be cash heavy. Us personally, we're going to a cash heavy position right now because I am primed to buy, baby. We're just waiting on the opportunities to show up. So if you enjoy my newsletter, please like and subscribe here on YouTube. Follow me on social media. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow a following, and really I'm just trying to educate people. And to do that, you got to be out here. It's uncomfortable, but it is what it is. So if I can help you guys anytime, I love talking investment properties and how to structure loans. I'm here for you.